But the silver lining is, look, I got a track record, and everything that I've been teaching in this team and over the years is being multidimensional, and you guys know it firsthand. And it's the reason why we do that is, of course, I didn't know this was going to be coming down the line, but the reason I always say be multidimensional is because you can't be pigeonholed in a box. That's why we don't say just work in one zip code or work in this market. Like, that's how I think, at least.
Yeah.
Because you become more, adaptive and multidimensional and more value add. And so soon, if we are in a situation where buyers end up paying us as buyer's agent for a transaction.
Which they essentially already do.
Well, guess what?
With the purchase price.
Well, if that's going to be the case, and I know if I was a buyer and I'm looking for an agent, guess what? I'm not going to just press a button and just pick somebody and go meet them at the door. I'm going to check their track record. I'm going to check their experience. What have they sold? What do they do? Like, so all the things that we actually care about of who we are actually matter now